Hey guys, Gary here with Automatic Door and Hardware, and today I thought I'd talk about a topic we get from a lot of the hospitality maintenance guys, and that is, do hotel doors require door closers, specifically the doors going into the actual hotel rooms. And the simplest way to answer this is yes, they do. Most of them do, and the way to quickly know is essentially any fire door or any door with a fire label is required to have a door that will automatically close and latch in the event of a fire, because the door needs to act as a barrier of protection to keep the fire at bay. So with that being said, most hotel rooms are at least 20-minute fire rated doors. And as a result, they would need a commercial door closer. There are some, like with the NFPA 80 and the International Building Code, sometimes spring hinges can be used, but the challenge with that is just depending on the door size. Spring hinges can't be dialed in to essentially close and latch as smoothly as hydraulic door closers. Spring closers, you essentially just tighten that spring up, but with the actual hydraulic door closer, they last a lot longer, and you essentially have two speed adjustments: the main closing speed and the latch speed. So with that, you can have a safer, smoother, controlled door closing speed, while also having a product that will last for essentially a lifetime. So I hope that helps. If you guys are in need of commercial door closers, we carry our Commando door closer line, which I'll link below. It's perfect for applications like hotel rooms. We have a couple versions. Our slim line is one that would work really well on a lot of hotel doors, mainly because of the size. It's very aesthetically pleasing to look at, and it doesn't take up much space. And it also comes tri-pack, so you can mount it 3 different ways: adjustable spring for any door size, easy to adjust, and essentially has all the bells and whistles for a really economical price. I'll link it down below. Thanks, guys.